Officers observe a stolen Range Rover traveling west on North Avenue without a seatbelt. A simple traffic stop becomes a high-speed chase through city streets, red lights blown, and erratic driving at every turn. The vehicle crashes into a gravel lot near Grand and Colmar. 3 suspects flee on foot. What happens next in the arrest of one of them will become a case study in controversial police force.
1.61 Adam, what's your location now? Got a sergeant on 14 miles ahead as well.
Yeah, 1461.
Heading on Grand.
Okay, 61, you with him?
Yeah, squad on.
Okay, what do you have to stop for? Okay, what's your location?
Not sure.
Okay, 1461, what's your location? 61 Adam, copy the radio as well.
What is this? I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna get us close by to assist,
It's the driver. What's his name? Serrano's buddy.
1461.
Carlo.
Okay, we've notified those as well. Okay,
Good,
we're
right. Squad up.
Get on the floor, motherfucker!
Get on the floor. I'll beat the fuck out of you. We got though. You got him? Get him? You got him? Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. You hear me? Stay still. There it comes. Put your hands behind your back. All right, stay still, okay? You got anything on you? I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, we got 2 customers. Now here's CFLS here on
Y'all just stomped on my head.
What's that?
Y'all just stomped on my head.
Who did?
Y'all just stomped on my
I
head.
did not. All right.
He did. Oh, shit.
You good? You need an ambulance? Yeah, we got another one at 624 on Kildare. One more running down the alley.
Papi gonna pick you up.
The driver is Enrico Carlo. Enrico Carlo is the driver. Okay, the one down the alley is Enrico Carlo.
This your daughter?
No, this is my uncle's daughter. I didn't know it was stolen.
Curly hair, white t-shirt. Okay, male Hispanic, curly hair, white t-shirt. Okay, which direction is he going down that alley? 6 feet tall, 180. 6 feet tall, 180. Where are you guys now?
No, nothing.
Get it up.
Okay, 6-1, what's your location now? Okay, what?
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Okay, units be advised, the male Hispanic, curly hair, white t-shirt, name Enrico Carlos is running to my...
He just went down the alley. Make a left on the alley.
North of Kilmore to assist. Looking for a male Hispanic, tall, curly hair, white t-shirt. So we got units in the vicinity. King, where you at? I'm Kilmore. North of Kilmore, he's at North of Kilmore. 25 on 5.
North Avenue, Kilborn. North Avenue, Kilborn.
Okay, what's your location now? Okay, we got units on scene at North of Kilmore.
Have a seat. Sit right here.
1461 for information.
Just.
Okay, we got a unit on scene on North Avenue in Kilmore.
He stomped my head.
Alright,
He stepped on my knee.
61, go ahead.
Yeah, we got 2 in custody and 3 in Kilborn.
That shit bogus?
No,
Yeah,
it's any scratches.
Okay, we got one running with you. He's running towards the cul-de-sac.
Can I call my uncle to pick her up? Cause that's what
From the station, you could do that, all right?
you gonna call me.
Who's that?
That's my niece. That's
That's your
my
niece?
Yeah, we didn't.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
How old are you?
Okay, your radio's good now. We got
18?
Yeah, you know me.
Okay.
We're still going through a case and you're in another hot car. What's wrong with you, man?
Guys, everything's being video and audio recorded, okay? Just for your information.
I didn't even know.
Fucked up. I
I don't know.
I don't
As soon as we're done with all this, call for an ambulance,
What am I
alright?
getting charged with?
Well, you were on the passenger side on a hot car, so trespassing, okay? You know the deal. This is not the first time,
I
alright?
get I-bound for that?
I don't know, to be honest, okay? I don't want to say yes, probably not. I don't want to say no, and then you will get one, alright? Just relax. Okay? But probably you guys are gonna get an extra charge, which is for her, endangering the safety of a minor. Okay? Because you know, guys, she was in the car. Yeah, that's a felony.
That's a felony?
Yes. Okay? Because you guys know, you should have told them stop. I got my little niece with me. You know? So that's not the way to do it, my friend. How old is the baby? 4? Should get an ambulance for her, Sarge.
She didn't, I was holding her, so she didn't really
Still,
get it.
man. Well, he needs an ambulance. We're gonna get an ambulance.
Can you loosen this left cover there?
Well, give me 1 sec. I got the car. We got the car.
We got the car. It's with us with the two offenders. We got the car.
My uncle calling me. Yeah. Can you answer the phone?
No, not right now. Not right now.
He's gonna come right
Bring it
now.
on.
Don't worry. Not right now. Do me a favor. Stand up.
Me?
No, this one right here. Sit up. Ready? I'm gonna pull you up. 1, 2, 3. Can you stand up?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We got the wagon coming over here.
I got you. I just got tired.
Okay,
I'm
no
like,
problem.
just want to grab like this. Should we get an ambulance for the baby?
Are you okay, Fred? Anything wrong with you? Nothing at all? You good? I think she's good. What's up, brother? How are you?
I know you're 14.
Yeah. Good. I've been there for a while.
What's wrong?
You ruined your shoe?
No, he wants to fight, so can't fight on gravel. You're gonna lose, man. You should have stopped.
You just put. I was
You
on
were
the
fighting
already.
the whole
I
way.
wasn't.
When you got out of that car, you were fighting.
I
Okay?
tried to run.
You kept fighting all the way. Okay? So don't come say you weren't fighting. Okay? It's all recorded anyways.
It's all recorded. You stopped
Yep.
right here. You parked that way there. Y'all got body cameras? Y'all got body
What's that?
cameras? Where is it?
Hot car.
Is it on? It is on. So that's why I told you.
These guys are bad boys. They're always carrying guns and stuff. They're always carrying guns and stuff. Get them doing all kinds of shit. I got a case of a little boy for a while now.
Exiting the car.
Uncle. You're her uncle or what?
Shows some driver exit.
What are you to the little girl?
Her uncle.
Your uncle?
You're the uncle too? Yeah, we both were. Yeah?
Good uncle, I tell you.
We got the third guy. Everybody's in custody.
Everybody's in custody. I don't know. Do we have a transport coming?
Yeah,
No.
we got 71 coming right now.
What's up?
1213.
I didn't even know it was him. I was driving down this way. I saw this thing. I saw them.
Please. Okay, where you going? Pull up, man.
Was that? Did he hit somewhere around here? Yeah, I hit the wall over here. Okay, lost. Took up the sign over there. 1461.
1461.
We do have the wagon going this way, right?
Except for an air wrap.
Thank you.
I got a book bag and stuff.
424.
Everything is video and audio recorded. Okay, guys, for your information.
Hi, can I just speak with a white shirt right now?
You will
Since
talk
I'm
to
being
you
audio
will talk,
recorded?
you will talk to a white shirt in the station, all right?
You want a black and brown shirt.
You guys did wasn't bogus?
tried to run
That
away.
wasn't bogus.
I wasn't driving. I was telling him to
This is
stop.
what the bogus part is.
I know.
Just so you know what I'm saying?
1431.
What something happened to this little one?
Who's that belong to?
That's my cousin. That's
Citizen
my
Webster
uncle.
Dash and Axon and Webster.
Yeah, he just called. Yeah,
Where's
he's
your
trying to
uncle?
get it right now.
Drop him off.
1234. 1234. There's 19 Paul, half hour in the academy.
They knew Ricky's name by heart.
19 Paul.
They know us, nigga.
We gonna leave town, bro.
It's endangering the life of a child.
Well, you guys gotta stop taking cars that doesn't belong to you. That's
I
all
did-
you
I-
gotta do. That's it.
Oh,
That's all
got
you-
a habit of this?
We dealt with them before.
Yeah.
We know.
Me?
Never had a stolen
I have,
cars?
yeah.
So you've been in stolen cars before?
Tell Martha come get me out of jail. Don't fucking nothing. Cause you didn't nothing.
Damn, bro, I don't even got no.
Wagons here.
Can you loosen up the cuff though, please?
Not right now.
Please, please.
We'll do in a minute right there. Let me take you to the wagon and then.
Going numb. This is being audio recorded. My hand's going numb.
Listen this way. Left.
I just got stopped. My fucking face so broken.
You may want to search them again. I have this. The left one, right? The left?
Yeah, the last one.
Hey, 61 Fairfield. 461. Hey, we're gonna have to punch one for traffic.
All right. All right. Go ahead.
3 teenagers in 1 stolen car. 3 very different outcomes. Enrique Carlo, the driver, faced 7 felony charges, including aggravated fleeing and driving with a suspended license. Ignacio Munguia was arrested for trespassing to a vehicle and endangering a child. He was the one carrying a young girl when he fled. And Justin Taylor, the front passenger who claimed he didn't know the vehicle was stolen, faced charges of resisting arrest after that controversial takedown. All 3 admitted gang affiliations. COPA's investigation centered on whether the sergeant's foot strike and language used during Taylor's arrest were necessary force or excessive punishment. The case became a training lesson on de-escalation and accountability. In our next case, 2 men steal a 2018 Mustang, and the driver will attempt something far more dangerous, trying to disarm a police officer during a foot pursuit in the dark. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axon Cam and hit the notification bell.